Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to got on ZurySisWigs.com, and it's in the style Diva Lids Fulani 101 color 1B, and this is the packaging. Okay, this is how the wig looks. The stock card on how it's supposed to look. It's a 13x4 mix front. So I'm going to show you how to put this on and tell you the review at the end. This is the wig. This is how it's looking. I put some accessories in the baby hairs, and I'm running my hands through the wig. I'm getting a little bit of shedding, so the wig is sheddable, and yeah, it's a lot of shedding. and it's very nice. It's, if you brush it out, the curls will stay. I'll leave like this. This is how the wig looks. And yeah, I'm thinking about ordering the other version to this. Yeah, so like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below on what other hair videos do you want me to do, and if you want me to do this makeup look. Bye.